My God, this mentality is so screwed up. This comment was in regards to a video where I said, never forget, you choose the life you live. And I heard a bunch of complaints. Yeah, I choose to broke my back, or I choose to be poor, or I choose to be a minority. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, you can't choose this current situation. You can only choose the actions you take from this current situation. Each individual person, regardless of whether or not you're a minority, has different choices. Some have to do with your job, some have to do with your level of income, some have to do with your housing, some have to do with your emotional state, some have to do with your friendships and your relationships. There is absolutely nothing holding back a minority in today's age from making the right choice. And I'm stressing this again, the right choice is different based on your scenario. If you only have enough money to eat at McDonald's, then the right choice would be ordering a salad and not a Big Mac. Life is a sum of our choices. You have option A, B, C, or D. And when you add up all your choices, did they lead to the best outcome? That's all this is coming to. Your final outcome might not be as high as someone else's. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is, did you maximize your outcome by making the right choices? That mentality you have is hurting you, and it's limiting you and preventing you from getting ahead. Just remember, you have the choice. Look at your scenario and pick the best choice. That's all I ask.